Strong legs are important for everyone. They help us walk, run, and jump. Strong legs also make everyday activities easier. This workout will help you build strong and powerful legs using just dumbbells. Let's get started. This 30-minute routine is perfect for beginners. It's important to start slow and gradually increase the weight you lift. Listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Remember to warm up before each workout and cool down afterwards. Before you begin, gather your equipment, a pair of dumbbells. Choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. If you're unsure, start with a lighter weight and gradually increase as you get stronger. Find a spacious area where you can move freely. It's also helpful to have a mirror nearby so you can check your form. Now let's dive into the exercises. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your sides. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, slowly lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as you can comfortably go. Pause for a moment, then push through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. This is your starting position for the lunge exercise, which is excellent for building strength in your legs and glutes. Make sure your posture is upright, with your shoulders back and your core engaged. Holding the dumbbells at your sides, keep your arms relaxed but firm. This setup will help you maintain balance and stability throughout the movement. Take a step forward with your right leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. As you step forward, focus on a controlled movement, ensuring that your stride is neither too short nor too long. This will help you maintain proper form and prevent any undue stress on your joints. The forward lunge is a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Ensure your front knee is directly above your ankle, and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. This alignment is crucial for avoiding injury and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Your front thigh should be parallel to the ground, and your back knee should be close to the floor without touching it. Keep your torso upright and your core engaged to maintain balance and stability. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. As you push back, drive through your heel to engage your glutes and hamstrings. This part of the movement is just as important as the lunge itself, as it helps build strength and power in your lower body. Make sure to maintain control and avoid any jerky movements. Repeat on the other side. Step forward with your left leg this time and follow the same steps to complete the lunge. Alternating legs ensures that both sides of your body are equally worked, promoting balanced muscle development and preventing imbalances that could lead to injury. Continue alternating legs for 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. Consistency is key to seeing results, so aim to perform this exercise regularly as part of your leg workout routine. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise, inhaling as you lower your body and exhaling as you push back up. This will help you maintain focus and endurance. Over time, you can increase the weight of the dumbbells or the number of repetitions to further challenge your muscles and continue making progress. Section 5. Deadlifts, powering up your posterior chain. Alright, let's get started. Deadlifts are one of the most effective exercises for strengthening your posterior chain, which includes your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This movement not only builds muscle but also enhances your overall functional strength, making everyday activities easier and improving your athletic performance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, dumbbells in front of you. Make sure your toes are pointing forward and your weight is evenly distributed across your feet. Hold the dumbbells with an overhand grip, keeping your arms straight and relaxed. Now hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Imagine you're trying to push your hips back towards the wall behind you. This hip hinge movement is crucial for targeting the right muscles and avoiding strain on your lower back. Lower the dumbbells towards the ground, maintaining a slight bend in your knees. Your knees should not move forward excessively. Instead, focus on bending at the hips. This will help you maintain proper form and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Lower the dumbbells until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. This stretch indicates that you're engaging the right muscles. Be mindful not to round your back. Keep it flat and your shoulders pulled back. Drive through your hips to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. This hip drive is where the power of the deadlift comes from, and squeezing your glutes ensures you're fully engaging your posterior chain, and repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Consistency is key, so aim to perform this exercise 2 to 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength, posture, and overall fitness. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each repetition to prevent injury and get the most out of your workout. Section 6. Step-ups, a step towards strength. Step-ups are a fantastic exercise to build lower body strength, improve balance, and enhance cardiovascular fitness. They target multiple muscle groups including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, making them an efficient and effective addition to any workout routine. To begin, find a sturdy box or platform about knee-high. The height of the platform is crucial, as it determines the intensity of the exercise. A higher platform will increase the difficulty, while a lower one will make it easier. Ensure the platform is stable and can support your weight to prevent any accidents. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and stand facing the platform. The added weight of the dumbbells will increase the resistance, making the exercise more challenging and beneficial for muscle growth. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides and maintain a straight posture to engage your core muscles. Step onto the platform with your right foot, pushing through your heel to lift your body. This movement primarily engages your quadriceps and glutes. Focus on a controlled motion to maximize muscle engagement and reduce the risk of injury. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward. Bring your left foot up to meet your right foot on the platform. At this point, both feet should be firmly planted on the platform. This position allows you to stabilize your body before proceeding to the next step. Take a moment to ensure your balance before continuing. Step back down with your left foot, followed by your right foot. Descending in a controlled manner is just as important as stepping up. It helps in maintaining balance and ensures that your muscles are engaged throughout the entire movement. Avoid rushing this part to prevent any strain or injury. Repeat on the other side. Now, step onto the platform with your left foot, pushing through your heel to lift your body, and bring your right foot up to meet your left foot. This alternating pattern ensures that both legs are worked evenly, promoting balanced muscle development. Continue alternating legs for 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. Consistency is key to seeing results. Aim to perform this exercise 2 to 3 times a week, gradually increasing the weight of the dumbbells as you build strength. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity as needed to avoid overexertion. Section 7. Calf raises, reaching new heights. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground. Hold for a moment at the top, squeezing your calves. Slowly lower your heels back down to the ground. Repeat for 15 to 20 repetitions. You can also perform this exercise on a slightly elevated surface for an increased challenge. Section 8. Staying motivated, staying consistent. Staying consistent with your workouts is key to seeing results. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Find a workout buddy to keep you accountable and motivated. And most importantly, make exercise enjoyable. Listen to your favorite music, try different workout clothes, or reward yourself for reaching milestones. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Section 9. Reaping the rewards of leg day. Congratulations on completing your 30-minute dumbbell leg routine. By incorporating this routine into your fitness regimen, you'll experience numerous benefits. Stronger legs will improve your balance, power, and overall functional fitness. You'll notice everyday activities become easier, and you'll have more energy throughout the day. Keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to stronger, healthier legs.